Hi everyone, you're welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to boil cocoyam. Now this is something that has been pending on my channel for the longest, and I'm just here to show you guys how. Now there are different types of cocoyam, however we will not be getting into that, but we have here with us Igbo cocoa and Makabo. Now in this situation we are going to proceed to take out the hair, that's how we call it, from our cocoyam. This is just the extra skin which tends to make the cocoyam dirty, big and all of that. We are going to take it out with a knife. One thing I love about cocoyam is the ability to use it for many things. You can either pair it with vegetable or you can make cocoyam porridge depending on the kind of cocoyam. You can pound it as swallow. You can use it for a lot of things. So I'm here to put you on. So grab a knife and proceed to do this. Most times cocoyams are dirty because they are from the ground, the soil. So we are going to wash our cocoyams properly. I'll take you guys through the process, which is the next you're going to see. So if you find water which is dirty, know that it is because we are washing our cocoyam. And cocoyam is something that you will not just wash once and it is clean, provided you perhaps bought it from a store where they've washed it already and all of that. But here in Cameroon, most times if you buy cocoyam from the market during the rainy season, this is how it's going to look. It's going to be so dirty. So make sure to wash your cocoyam properly. In this case, we'll be using this cocoyam to cook achu. Another step, instead of cleaning it dry, you can soak it in water and remove the dirt or the hair from it like that. So can you see we have removed it and it's clean, and we are going to transfer to our pot where we are going to keep it and rinse it again. Now let me tell you something, this has gone through 3 different bowls of water just so it can be clean. Please use your foam to wash your cocoyam properly. Don't use an iron sponge, you're going to wound it. So we are going to transfer to our pot where we'll be rinsing it again. I think I must have said that cocoyam is used as swallow in Cameroon, and most people think it ends only with achu. No, that is not necessarily the case. In other tribes in Cameroon, like the Babugo people of Cameroon, cocoyam swallow is their traditional dish. I was so surprised when I first realized this, because it seems everybody who eats cocoyam swallow in Cameroon mostly eats it with achu soup. But that's not the case. I keep on repeating, that's not the case. So that is the reason why I have a series on my channel which is coming up on different traditional foods in Cameroon. I'm going to try to get one of each so you guys can watch and learn. This is for information purposes as well. Washing your cocoyam properly is also going to help you when it comes to peeling it, because if you tend to boil dirty cocoyam, you're going to reap the fruit of your labor, and this will make your cocoyam swallow either dirty or contains a lot of salt. Some people chew fufu. I don't know, but some people chew fufu, they don't swallow it. So if there are stones in it, they are most definitely going to chew the stones. So you do not want situations like that. You need to avoid them. The first step or stage when it comes to getting very good cocoyam is when you go to the market, I would rather prefer you buy these smaller sizes of Igbo cocoa than the bigger sizes, because most times these bigger sizes, they call them mami cocoa. In some cases they easily get bad and they don't get ready easily. After washing your cocoyam properly, proceed to rinse, and then we are going to boil. Now this is what we would have done had it been we did not have any other thing to add to our pot. So this is a 2-in-1 video, how to boil cocoyams and how to boil banana. We are going to wash our banana and add to our pot. Speaking of banana, I speak of unripe banana. One thing I know about banana is that it easily gets soft, so most times this is the best way to boil it. Now we are going to add water. And do you see the quantity of water we are adding? One thing about cocoyams is that if you do not boil it well, your mouth will scratch. Your mouth will itch you. So make sure to boil your cocoyams well. Now because we are boiling bananas and we are cooking achu, we are going to make sure to mix our bananas in the pots properly. So we have some underneath, some on top, some in the middle, so that when we are taking it out to go and peel and pound, we are most definitely going to have bananas all through. Not that we finish with bananas and we proceed to cocoyams. No, we are going to pound at once so our bananas don't get cold and all of that. So this is what we have. Cocoyams are ready. For you to know if they are ready, you're going to peel one. Use your knife or spoon to divide it so you can see the middle if it is ready or not. Now if it's not ready, it's going to be somewhat hard. Well, if it is ready, it's going to be soft, not soggy, just soft and very, very beautiful. In another video, I'm going to show you how to boil peeled cocoyam. Some people do it like that. However, in Cameroon, it is very common for us to boil cocoyams with its skin. I've not seen it any other way. Usually, you can pound just your empty cocoyams, but we are adding bananas to it. I have other videos on Arrowroot. Please check them out in the description box. Thank you so much for watching.